Welcome back. Today we are going to zoom in on one of the most expressive parts of the human body, the face. Our faces are incredibly complex and capable of conveying a vast range of emotions, even subtle nuances that words can't always capture. Let's start with the basics. There are 7 universal facial expressions that are recognized across every culture. Happiness, characterized by raised cheeks, wrinkles around the eyes, and an upturned mouth. Sadness, dropping eyelids, downturned mouth, and sometimes furrowed brows. Anger, furrowed brows, narrowed eyes, flared nostrils, and a tightened jaw. Surprise, raised eyebrows, wide eyes, and an open mouth. Fear, raised eyebrows, wide eyes, and a slightly open mouth, often accompanied by a pale complexion. Disgust, wrinkled nose, raised upper lip, and sometimes a protruding tongue. Contempt, a unilateral smirk or sneer, often accompanied by a raised chin and narrowed eyes. These expressions are deeply ingrained in our biology and evolution. They serve as a way to quickly communicate our emotional state to others, even across language barriers. For example, a smile signals friendliness and approachability, while a scowl warns of potential danger. But our faces are capable of much more than just these 7 basic expressions. We can combine different facial moments to create a vast array of emotions, from mild amusement to intense rage. We can also use microexpressions, fleeting facial moments that last for a fraction of a second, to reveal our true feelings, even if you're trying to hide them. Reading facial expressions is really a crucial skill for understanding the nonverbal communication. It allows us to decode emotions. By recognizing the subtle cues in someone's face, we can get a better sense of how they are feeling, even if they're not saying it out loud. Detect deception. Microexpressions can tell sign that someone is lying or hiding something. Build rapport. Mirroring someone's facial expressions can create a sense of connection and empathy. However, it's important to remember that facial expressions should not be integrated in isolation. They should always be considered in the context of the entire body language picture, along with the person's words and the overall situation.